welcome to the hydraulic press channel, and today we have cheap Chinese clock for our press. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's still running as we speak, and we see can we stop it with our press. Doesn't break to the very small bits, it's still quite intact. The glass is broken on both sides, and there is some. Maybe we try on again. The clock has so large area that the pressure isn't very high, so I decided to integrate this nut to the clock to get some damage. Nut to the clock went very well. We can see that the nut is completely inside the clock, and at least now the clock isn't running anymore, so I think we can be satisfied for the result. And the clock is quite warm also. The crushing had warm it. I think this is enough for today, and have a nice day.